Okay, we are installing Carrier 3-ton condenser. First, we have to check the connection. We have to remove the old connection. That's around 7-8 joints. So I have to remove all the T's and I have to install the filter dryer. Here's the new copper pipe that I have bent it to 90 degrees and I swedged it on the left side so it can fit properly, and then I can do the soldering. Then I have to cut it here. I swedged the other side so it can properly fit in. Then I have sandpaper it, and here we go. We have soldered it, both sides. It's properly soldered in, and the filter dryer. Now pressure test it. I pressurize it to 400 psi, and then check all the leaks, including all the joints, which came from factory, soldered in. So to find out if there's any leak in that. So bubble liquid on all the joints, including on the filter dryer. The left and the right, and the factory joints. We have to check all the joints. Sometimes even the factory joints, they come leak. Here's the pressure. It kept the pressure for a while, and now we have to check the subcooling. It is 8 degrees on the label. This is vacuuming. We start the vacuum, and I forgot to include the clip which came to 500 micron, but after that I have charged it to the factory mentioned pressure, and it is around 6 degrees subcooling, which is perfect. 2 to 3 degrees is okay. And as per the label, the nameplate, it's 8 degrees, and that's over there 5.9 or 6 or 6.1. That's ideal, and the condensation is really good. I checked the temperature. Within 30 minutes it dropped around 7 degrees, which is perfect.